Sexual harassment in a workplace is a serious issue that affects millions of people every year. If you are experienced it or witnessed it, you might feel confused, afraid or unsure about what to do next. In this video, we will break down everything you need to know about sexual harassment case. From recognizing what constitutes harassment to how you can protect yourself and take action. What you will learn, what sexual harassment is and how to identify it, the legal right and protection available to those who face harassment, the step to take if you or someone you know experience harassment, how employer can prevent and address harassment in the workplace, what to do if you are accused of harassment, and how to defend yourself illegally. By the end of this video, you will be understand sexual harassment better and feel empowered to take actions, whether you are a victim, witness, or employer. What is sexual harassment? Definition of sexual harassment. Sexual harassment refers to unwanted or inappropriate behavior of a sexual nature in the workplace or other professional setting. This can range from verbal comments and physical advance to more severe acts such as assault. It creates an uncomfortable and hostile environment for the person being targeted. Type of sexual harassment. First is quid pro quo harassment. When someone is power, offer or threatens something in exchange for sexual favor. Hostile work environment. Unwanted behavior or comments that create an intimidating or uncomfortable workplace, such as inappropriate jokes, email, or physical gesture. Example of sexual harassment: unwanted touching, groping, or sexual advance, inappropriate sexual jokes or comment, sending explicit image or messages, making someone feel uncomfortable or threatened because of their gender or sexuality. The legal framework for sexual harassment. Law against sexual harassment. In many countries, there are laws in place that specifically prohibits sexual harassment in the workplace. For example, in the US, Title 8 of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 makes it illegal for employer to discriminate based on sex, including sexual harassment. This law applies to all employers with 15 or more employees. Legal protection for victims. Victims for sexual harassment are entitled to several legal protection, including protection from reporting harassment, the right to file a complaint with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission (EEOC) or similar regulatory bodies, the possibility of civil lawsuit to seek damage for emotional distress, lost wage, and other consequences. A statute of limitation. It is important to note that there are time limit or a statute of limitation for reporting harassment. In USA, you must file a claim with the EEOC within 180 days of the incident or 300 days if the state has its own anti-discrimination law. What to do if you experience or witnesses sexual harassment. Immediate step for victims. If you are being harassed, it is crucial to act quickly. Document the behavior. Write down what happened, including date, time, and what was said or done. Speak up. If you feel safe doing so, tell the person that their behavior is unwanted and need to stop. Report the incident. Notify your employer or human resources department. If they don't take action, file a formal complaint with an external agency. A step for witnesses. If you witness sexual harassment at work, it is important to step up, support the victim by offering a safe space or helping them report the incident. Document what you saw or heard. Your testimony could be crucial to the case. Encourage others to speak out if they have experienced similar behavior. Filing a complaint. If the harassment continues despite your effort, you can file a formal complaint. File with the EEOC or the equivalent in your country. If the harassment occurs at a school or a public place, report to local authority. How employer can prevent and address sexual harassment. Creating an anti-harassment policy. Employer have a responsibility to create a safe and respectful work environment. This includes establishing an anti-harassment policy that define what constitutes harassment, provide clear reporting procedure, promote respect and diversity in the workplace. Training and education. Employers should regularly train their staff on what constitutes sexual harassment, how to report it, and how to prevent it. Training should also cover how to recognize unconscious bias and the importance of repeating colleagues. Investigating complaints. When a complaint is made, employer must investigate promptly and thoroughly. This include speaking to the patient involved, gathering evidence, and taking appropriate action to stop the harassment. Retentions protection. It is illegal for employee to retaliate against employee who report harassment. Retaliations can include demotions, pay cuts, or termination. If this happens, the victim can file additional complaint against their employer. How to defend yourself if accused of sexual harassment. Stay calm and professional. If you are accused of sexual harassment, it is crucial to remain calm and respond professionally. This situation requires clear, honest communications. Deny the accusation if it is false, but never retaliate or escalate the situation. Document everything. Just like the victim, you should document your interactions. Keep a record of conversation, emails, or any behavior that might support your version of events. Legal support. If you are accused of harassment, seeking legal counsel is essential. A lawyer can help you navigate the process, protect your right, and ensure that the matter is handled fairly. Company investigation. Cooperate with the company's internal investigation. If you are cleared of the accusations, make sure your record remains clear. Sexual harassment in the workplace is a serious issue that can affect anyone. It is important to understand the law, know how to report harassment, and ensure that you are protected. Whether you are a victim, a witness, or an employer, we all play a role in creating a safer and more respectful workplace. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it. Let's work together to raise awareness and stop harassment in its track. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on protecting your right and creating a respectful work environment.